think I finally found saddlebags for the Low Rider S that don't ruin the look of the bike, and these things hold way more than I expected. These are the new 60-liter Stealth XL quick mount saddlebags from Viking Bags, and for how much storage these things actually have, they fit the bike surprisingly well. These bags are specifically made for the 2020 to 2024 Low Rider S, and they use a quick disconnect system, and surprisingly, you don't have to relocate your turn signals. That alone makes this bag setup way cleaner than a lot of the other bag options out there.
What I like about these is that they don't look massive on the bike, but they still hold a ton of stuff. Camera gear, extra clothes, tools, random stuff from a ride, whatever. There's compartments all throughout the bags too, so everything has its place instead of just bouncing around inside. And because they're quick detach, you can literally pull them off in seconds if you don't want them on the bike all the time. And if you need even more room, the bags actually expand out quite a bit too. The leather and the Cordura combos nice too because they still feel durable without looking super bulky and overly rigid. Install was honestly pretty straightforward. Everything you need comes in the box, the mounting hardware is included, and it bolts up without having to do anything weird to the bike. And they even lock into place too, so you don't have to worry about somebody casually pulling the bags off while you're away from the bike. And thankfully, no turn signal relocation, which probably saved me from losing my mind halfway through the install. I think that's the biggest thing with these. They actually make the bike more usable without turning it into a giant touring setup. You still keep the Low Rider S look and feel, you just gain a stupid amount of storage.
Honestly, I didn't think I'd end up liking these as much as I do. Usually with saddlebags, you have to sacrifice one thing over another, whether it's storage or looks, but Viking Bags nailed the balance on these. They're practical, easy to take on and off, and most importantly, they still feel like they belong on the bike. Yeah, these are definitely staying on the bike.
These are the 60-liter Stealth XL saddlebags from Viking Bags, and this is what I rock on my Harley-Davidson Low Rider S.